Woo! Did it record?
Having fun?
Yeah. Look at David.
Look, David has a boner. Hey, Bill, boner, right there. Didn't think it was possible.
Video.
Y'all want to go for round two?
Fuck me.
How'd you fall? Just flip over it?
I went like that and then rolled over
I was
onto
like,
my ass.
okay, y'all gonna try again? Look at that one.
Which one?
That one's kind of small.
It'd be easy to trip over.
Oh,
It's hard to jump there.
Huh?
I ran on my jump.
So y'all gonna jump or not? At that one.
That ran on my jump.
Hey,
Fuck me.
when you record at night.